Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, since how many months? Since 1 month now Mobingo they disturb us. On the 26th, something will happen. On the 26th, the world will stand still. Now we look up, look ground. Since when the moon stand still, we never see wetin make the world stand still. Amobingo say na him wan make the world stand still. Say this on the 26th. The whole world will stand still. We main nation, we already know him now. Say the man na anyhow man. He no get anything wey he wan post pass movie. He cannot create anything more than that movie. He no get any qualification pass movie. He don't know how to do business. He don't know how to create anything. Now only that movie. We already know him. So we not going to send that Mobingo because we already know what he want to post. But you see him, you see the Mumu fans where they get. They've already started projecting AI. Say now their marriage. On the 26th of July, Mobingo wed Ekwe Isu Romasi Mami Water. They don't they post them. They don't use AI, they do the video, they post them. Say na marriage. Say main nation it una go cry. Una go cry, oh main nation una go cry. Me Edo she go cry. Her husband don't finally marry Juju Ekwensu. Now so they begin they use and they do content, they use and they mock themselves. Main nation they look there, they smile. Because we know say na movie. We know say na movie. Now Mobingo won't post. No be can reach today will be on the 26th. Mobingo country should go post. Wait till he post movie. Which kind movie? Movie of 4 years ago. That movie, Grandpapa, na Yole Doshi, na Mobingo na contact Grandpapa for that movie. Say there is a movie way in there. Make Grandpapa come join. They can't discuss the price and everything. They sent the money immediately to Grandpapa. Now Grandpapa can't go the movie location. As they reach movie location, they call the art movie. Juju Ekwe is present for the movie. Grandpapa was not feeling himself. The man was not feeling himself at all. Juju Ekwe was on that movie. Grandpapa they say, okay, maybe not some part. Now she go there. Grandpapa couldn't get to find her say she was playing an actress role, like the major role for that movie. Now Grandpapa comes look up, look around, say no, you know, like wetin dey happen. Now I come ask them, who get film? They say na Juju Ekwensu. Now he be the producer. Now Grandpapa look up, look around, say Now I call Mobingo. Now I tell Mobingo say I'm very sorry. He no fit continue this movie. Now Grandpapa come carry the money. He can't give them. This man money wey take stay hotel. Money wey take eat normally. If you return money, the one wey take stay hotel, take eat your transport and everything, you suppose remove am. Now so Grandpapa carry the whole money, he give Mobingo, send am back to them. Wash him hand, wash him leg. You know, say traditional men, they are very wise. You know why he return everything, not collect 1 naira. He know say if this movie come outside, people go drag am. Some people go even curse am. Now the old man wash his hand, wash his leg. Comot, now he return their money, give them. As he return their money, give them, na so Grandpapa take leave them with the movie. Say he no get hand, get leg. Grandpapa say na only Pupu, which is their senior son, when yo and Mobingo born. When they carry come give am for a house for Enugu, when he pray for. Grandpapa say the insult when he receive, say he no fit talk am. He said the insult when they insult am because of Pupu, Juju Ekwensu son wey carry pray for. Now una say make he come out movie. He out movie with Juju Ekwensu. What do you want the world to say? What do you want the world to say? Now Mobingo tell Papa say, may Papa forget wetin the world want talk. Who care about them? If Papa say if you not care, he care. He no dey live I don't care life. He dey live I care life. What people says matters. For you, you know they live that life. In they live am because he stand for so many people. He cannot see himself. Acting movie with Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water. A lot of things might be happening behind closed door, but coming out on social media in a movie with Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water, nah. He's not going to accept that. Now, so Grandpapa they refund everything to them. Grandpapa come out. Now, Juju Ekwensu and Amubingo, hungry though they beat them. Movies not the two they flow for Amubingo like before. Before Amubingo day here, there. He not day again. He not day. The man know they act movie like that again. They know they call him like that again. So Amubingo, we hungry though they beat, look up, look grand. Now he won't say he won't go release that movie because Grandpapa already act some parts for the movie. Now, if you listen to Juju Ekwensu tell una say the movie is not coming part 1, part 2. The movie will be coming in series. That means that they show small in series. That is, behind closed door, they are trying to convince Grandpapa to finish that movie. So the movie will be coming up in series. They're not going to show the movie full like normal movie. They come small. The episode, they go there in episode. Episode 1, episode 2, episode 3. Now so they want to show the movie. Because Amubingo don't look up, look grand. Hungry, they beat him. He need to put something out there to get money. And this movie has been abandoned since 4 years. Grandpapa refused to finish the part. Now Amubingo look and say, no, the part where Grandpapa did for inside, now he won't go post. The part where Grandpapa act for inside, now he bring come outside. Where Grandpapa for the shot, say make the bury am. Now Amubingo bring come outside. Hey! If I dey tell una say hungry dey this country, when Tinubu tell us say there might be hungry but we can manage, not Amubingo. Amubingo cannot manage the hungry. He don't go release the papa film put for outside. Carry papa out there for dragging. Now this dragging make papa run, say no the art movie again. Make people not come dey drag am, come dey talk different things. Now papa say no. This situation where they grand, so it dey critical. Somebody need to be very careful. Now I make the old man run. Now Amubingo go post the papa. He no care whether they drag the papa now. It's none of his business. He don't care. He go put the papa. Put the papa out there, and the worst part of it, the place where papa they say bury am. Amubingo put. Amubingo, this one where you can't put movie. When your papa they cry, they bury and so. You sure say now just movie now you post. Abi, you don't define your papa land and property where you want inherit. Because you and Juju Ekwensu are not trustable. Una don't see another place. Una even take do advert for the movie. Now where your papa they shout me they bury am. Do you want to send your father to his ancestors? Because you are a very desperate man. Una don't plan am, una don't cook am. This movie is just to tell him that his time don't reach. Ogini kwanu yo. What is your problem? Posting a movie when the man wash hand, wash leg, come out, say, make them not a dragger. Movie of 4 years ago. Movie where your papa not gree finish, where you make una not post movie. Now you go carry that same movie come aside. Hey, no become a they worry this family so. The more they try to hide things, the more God they expose them. You don't carry this film come aside now. If you enter social media, some people don't already they drag Grandpapa. They don't they drag her. Say yo. So your father is a pretender. All those talk when they talk now for maths. People don't already they talk different things now. And this is what this old man was trying to prevent. Even if the man for behind closed door gets some kurukere waka wey the waka, he wanted to remain behind closed door. But coming out publicly to show the world saying they support Juju Ekwensu, now waiting the man they avoid. But the hungry son could not keep that he could not keep that movie. He don't carry the movie come outside. He no concern am because he need money. So Amobingo don't post the movie. That movie is not a movie where they act today. That movie was 4 years ago when Grandpapa rejected that movie, saying no the arts. Juju Ekwensu Mumu fans where they dey. When e be say they know they do research, they know even they verify things. Make them know at least they know even they verify things. Their own are post and thief. As Amobingo just post the movie, if you see wetin Juju Ekwensu fans they write. So why people were saying Juju Ekwensu is no longer on social media? So she was busy acting movie with her father-in-law. Which father-in-law? Hey! Juju Ekwensu fans, they are the most mumu fans. Amobingo post movie. Una no even do verification. Make una see whether this movie na real or na fake. Una don't begin to write. Oh, so Juju Ekwensu was with acting movie with his father-in-law. That's why she was not showing herself on social media. Mumubility. Mumu people. Juju Ekwensu dey act movie with his father-in-law. Now e no post am for una make una see. No be Juju Ekwensu wey we know. Una no dey do research. Paste, thief and post. Una just see person title, caption, everything una just thief. Una no dey do verification. Mumubility to content creators. Una no dey do verification. Mumu content creator na food Juju Ekwensu fans. Very mumu people. They couldn't even verify when they acted that movie. They couldn't even verify what happened during the time they acted that movie. Their own they'll just come out, they'll open mouth. Ah! Una shame the shame person. Movie of 4 years ago. I think they tell una say na series they want to show una. That means the movie not get ending. The movie don't get ending. Hungry, they beat Amobingo. Hungry. Now he take go post that movie. Because that movie, he not get ending when he post. He won't just use the side where the ads take collect money. Because that film not get ending. And imagine the part when he post for inside. Where papa they cry, baby, they bury him, they bury him. And they tell una say Juju Ekwensu and Amobingo they get plan. Maybe they won't send grandpapa go join the ancestors. Make the for come carry inheritance. Which one be very where you the post? Hey! What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.